like to thank you all for joining us as we celebrate the great accomplishments of these students today. Before we begin, I would like to remind everyone in attendance today that this is our first formal assembly of the year minus the strong day that we had. Unlike our pep rallies and fun assemblies, this time is set aside to honor our students receiving awards today and the guests that they have with them. Please be respectful of this time by remaining quiet and in your seats for the duration of this assembly. As Moses will explain in just a moment, we will remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance, the National Anthem, and the Alma Mater. At this time, I'd like to welcome to the podium our Student Council Executive President, Moses McCowan.
Thank you. As we do every morning at Lebanon High School, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing as we honor our nation with the National Anthem, performed this morning by the Lebanon Chamber Choir. Under the direction of Mr. Max Jackson, and remain standing for the singing of our alma mater, also performed by the Chamber Choir. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
My choir was the first one that had to learn this song. And then after the Yellow Jackets sing their song, he was like, no, Chamber's going to do it for now on. I'm like, okay.
Thank you.
The evil lady. The evil lady.
Evil? I don't say myself.
For many years, Lebanon High School has had the honor of awarding students with the Teacher Academic Letter of Excellence to students who have earned a cumulative grade point average of 3.75 or higher. This year, we will continue that tradition. Today, we are honored to recognize 184 sophomores, juniors, and seniors for their outstanding achievements in the classroom. To our student body and to our guests, it's important to remember that many of these 184 students have earned this achievement while also participating in extracurricular activities, holding down jobs, and taking extra challenging courses during high school. This accomplishment The accomplishments that we are honoring today should be celebrated and recognized. These students should recognize in themselves the hard work and dedication that it takes to achieve this honor. Your grit and determination has not gone unnoticed to the people in this room, and we are confident that you will keep pushing toward excellence and toward our goals. Before we honor those students, we'd like to take a minute to recognize a couple important staff members. Last spring, our staff and students nominated and selected both our Teacher of the Year and Support Staff Member of the Year. At this time, we would like to recognize the 2025-2026 Lebanon High School Support Staff Member of the Year, Mrs. Michelle Armstrong. Mrs. Armstrong's impact on our school community is immeasurable. Whether supporting students in the Jacket Success Center, encouraging colleagues, or simply offering a warm smile in the hallway, Michelle leads with compassion, patience, and unwavering positivity. Known for her deep care for both students and staff, Mrs. Armstrong creates a welcoming environment where everyone feels seen, supported, and valued. She holds students to high expectations while showing them grace and kindness, consistently helping them grow academically and personally. Her ability to connect, uplift, and truly listen makes her a trusted mentor, role model, and friend. Through every challenge and triumph, Mrs. Armstrong has been a steady and joyful presence. She celebrates students' wins, regardless of how large or small. She makes them feel seen and heard, and her dedication, empathy, and heart of gold make her the perfect recipient of this recognition. We are incredibly fortunate to have her, and this recognition is so deserved. Congratulations, Mrs. Armstrong.
Now, everyone.
It has been a long-standing tradition that the Lebanon High School Teacher of the Year give the honorary tales speech, whether they would like to or not. And this year, our 2025-2026 Lebanon High School Teacher of the Year is Mrs. Emily Groce. Mrs. Groce has been teaching for 14 years, beginning her career in elementary education before moving to LHS, where she has taught for the past 8 years. She is a proud LHS alumni and holds a bachelor's degree from Drury University and a master's degree in curriculum and instruction from Northwest Missouri State University. Outside the classroom, Mrs. Groce enjoys reading, spending time at her family farm, and traveling. She is also an active member of Phillipsburg Christian Church, where she sings on the praise team. Mrs. Groce and her husband Richard, along with all 3 of their children, are proud graduates of Lebanon High School. Their son Lane is a livestock specialist for MFA and will be married in 3 weeks. Their daughter Presley is a first grade teacher at Easter Elementary, and with her husband Tyler is expecting their first baby at Christmas. Their youngest, Max, is a senior at Mizzou, studying agriculture and animal science, and will graduate in May. Mrs. Groce is known for her outstanding teaching, genuine warmth, and unwavering professionalism, and those who know her best also from humor. She brings energy and positivity to LHS every single day, creating a classroom environment that is both challenging and full of joy. Her dedication to student success and her ability to build strong relationships with students, families, and colleagues set her apart. Her compassion, resilience, and sense of humor shine through even when times are challenging, and she leads with grace and is a constant source of encouragement and support to all of those around her. A true mentor and friend, she has a passion for teaching and learning that touches everyone who has the privilege to work with her. Lebanon High School is a better place because Mrs. Groce teaches here. In August, Mrs. Groce was also named the Lebanon R3 Secondary Teacher of the Year, another well-deserved recognition. Please help me in welcoming our 2025-2026 Lebanon High School Teacher of the Year, Mrs. Emily Groce.
It's an incredible honor, truly. And I'll be honest with you, I don't think that there's a single teacher or staff member here at LHS who isn't deserving of it. Every paraprofessionals patiently supporting students who need extra guidance, counselors quietly lifting students up when no one else even knows that they're struggling, custodians making sure we have a school that we can be proud of. The list goes on and on. Our administrators and superintendents who are constantly making decisions with students in mind and are always pushing to create more opportunities. This award could have gone to any of these people, and it would have been well-deserved because it truly takes all of us working together to care for and lift up the students at LHS. I'm so proud to be a part of a team that puts students first every single day. I'm lucky that I get to do this work alongside such dedicated and compassionate people. So yes, I'm humbled to be standing here, and with the honor of being awarded Teacher of the Year, there do come a few perks. I get a really cool reserved parking spot, a shiny glass trophy, and now the chance to stand here in front of you, which feels like the entire world at this moment, and share a few words. Now, most of you know me as a high school English teacher because that's what I love and that's what I do here at LHS. But what you may not know is that when I first started teaching, I taught kindergarten, which means some of you in this room were once in my kindergarten class. You were sitting on the carpet learning how to read and write while trying very hard not to eat the glue sticks. And some of you ate the glue sticks. I absolutely loved my time as a kindergarten teacher. My students were funny and sweet and kind and always willing to try new things. I had kids who showed up in superhero capes who would tell me with total seriousness that their dog could talk and who thought snack time was the highlight of every day. Every single one of them made me laugh and reminded me of how wonderful it is to see the world with curiosity and pure joy. When I moved to the high school, I thought things would most likely be very different. But do you know what I discovered pretty quickly? High school students are just really big kindergartners. You're still funny, you're still sweet and kind, and most of the time, you're still willing to try new things. Shout out to my English 4 students who are challenging themselves with British Lit right now. You may not wear superhero capes to class anymore, but the truth is, you're still figuring out how to be brave, how to be kind, how to take risks, and how to learn from your mistakes. Several years ago, a man named Robert Fulgham wrote a book titled All I Really Need to Know I Learned in Kindergarten. And I think, if we're really being honest, we can all agree that that's true. Let me remind you of a few of the lessons because they matter just as much now as they did back when we were 5. Number 1, share everything. Not just your toys or your pencils, but share your time, your encouragement, your patience. You never know when something small that you give away might mean the world to someone else. Number 2, play fair. Life isn't always fair, but you can choose to be fair. Integrity matters more than winning, and how you treat others says far more about you than any grade or award or job title ever could. Number 3, don't hit people. That one sounds obvious, right? But it's bigger than fists. Don't use your words or your actions to knock people down. Choose kindness, even when it isn't easy, especially when it isn't easy. Number 4, put things back where you found them. Leave not only your spaces, but your relationships, your school, and your community better than when you entered them. Be someone who adds value, not someone who takes away value. So, number 5 is what we're ready for. Say you're sorry when you hurt someone. Owning your mistakes doesn't make you weak. It actually makes you strong. It allows you to move forward, to fix what is broken, and to grow. After all, we all make mistakes. Number 6, take a nap every afternoon. Okay, maybe we can't do that one anymore, especially not in your English classes. But what you can do is slow down and take care of yourself. You only get one shot in high school, so don't get so caught up chasing the next big thing in your life that you miss this season that you're in right now. Enjoy this stage. Laugh with your friends. Cheer at the games. Be proud of your hard work. These moments don't last forever, and this stage of life doesn't
thankful for you and what you bring to our campus. Can we have one more big round of applause, please? Can you do it one more time so we can get a picture with your flag? At this time, would our first section of TAILS recipients please stand and begin making your way to the stage. As is the tradition for our TAILS recipients, first-time recipients will receive an academic letter and a Lamp of Knowledge pin. Second and third-time recipients will receive a service bar pin. Students, real quick, just so everybody's aware, because this is the first time you guys have had to come across stage this year. You guys are going to come across stage when they call your name. We're going to stand over here. We're going to get a picture. Our photographers right down here on the floor. And then you'll step off the stage to get your stuff. Okay? All right. At this time, please welcome to the podium LHS teachers, Mrs. Cassie Burgel and Mrs. Erica Haley, who will be reading the recipients' names this morning. As TAILS recipients exit the stage, they will receive their certificate and bar or pin. And please hold your applause until all names are read. Thank you.
Colton Altschi, Liam Allen, Adelaide Barker, Cadence Berry, Davina Blackburn, Caden Branch, Elijah Candler, Lillian Carlson, Elsie Chen, Braden Christian, Kiera Collins, Levi Collins, Adeline Coriel, Bailey Cromer, Kara Dameron,
Riley Davis, Creedon Deckard, Kale Deckard, Cole Deckard, Addison Dent, Landon DeMock, Caitlin Dunas Gonzalez, Kaylin Evans, Riley Ford, Curtis Frazier, Caden Goldstein, Marissa Gress, Eric Powder, Whitney Heen, Eli Jackson,
Emma Johnson, Jalen Keller, Ellen Key, Aaliyah Kim, Paige Knight, Emma Lehman, Hayden Massey, Moses McCowan, Connor McGruder, Weston McKinney, Addison McKnight, Elena Mecca, Isabella Miller, Cole Milliken, Nora Mitchley,
Melissa Mizell, Evan Ogle, Braden O'Shea, Kyler Pruitt, Jacob Redmond, Samantha Reddick, Rhett Rose, Samantha Richardson, John Roll, Brooklyn Rose, Grayson Rubble, Kaysen Sherrill, Alton Schultz, Charlotte Schumont, Josiah Simmons.
Josie Wadley, Lily Waterman, Olivia Wares, Balin Williams, Camilla Windsor, Aiden Zier, Gavin Zier, Davin Admire, Lindsay Allison, Addison Hanks. Victoria Baker, Kendall Bly,
Whitley Bly, Abigail Ricky, Erica Brown, Daisy Chastain, Nora Clifton, Lauren Cryer, Jaden Dean, Zoe Durbin, Gracelyn Gregory, Aiden Hall, Cayman Halstead, Aaron Hanks, Elsie Hauser, Millie Hendricks, Carson Henson.
Harrison Howe, Brady Jackson, Aaliyah Jem, Malia Jones, Delaney Kramer, McKenna Laird, Gannon Lund, Matila Massey, Hayden McCormick, Christopher Mickelson, Igard Miser, Lila Monroe, Connor Morton, Emma O'Quinn, Rylan Parker,
James Perigo, Brinley Rhodes, Isabel Rodriguez, Lexon Rubel, Joseph Schooneman, Brighton Smith, Jackson Snyder, Jack Stevens, Michaela Sylvester, Lorelei Waite, Layla West, Leanne Westergaard, Hayden Williams, Shiloh Williams, Madison Wilson, Denver Woodruff,
Emma Anderton, Caleb Arl, Gabriel Carl, Megan Chapin, Lily Chastain, Jasmine Chenoweth, Aaliyah Clay, Kelby Cornu, Kada Cromer, Aaliyah Colt, Alistair De La Pena, Emily Dowdy, Jalen Irvin, Ileana Flanders, Kane Fletcher, Kelsey Ford,
Brett Gard, Austin Gilby, Barbara Grand, Kyler Graver, Channing Gravett, Kaylin Gregory, Kyson Gress, Costas Grunwald, Jackson Guthrie, Memphis Harmon, Jaron Hatman, Grayson Hazelwood, Aubrey Heaney, Ashlyn Hicks, Presley Hildebrand, Jonah Henson,
Kernion, Emily Locklear, Jack Lowry, Amelia McCauley, Kaylin Meckham, Cameron Miners, Serenity Miller, Jara Milligan, Addison Minton, Drake Montgomery, Mahela Namani, Isabella Odell, Hashmi Patel,
Crescence Pierce, Josie Perigo, Ricky Reimers, Connor Reveille, Lucia Rose, Riley Shellhorn, Riley Sly, Dylan Sowers, Harper Starnes, Ashlyn Stiers, Ethan Tokach, Scarlett Tokach, Chloe Van Antwerp, Caitlin Walker, Lauren Williams. Today serves as one way to recognize the hard work and dedication that each of our TAILS recipients have put toward their education. Please accept our congratulations on this accomplishment. To all of our students in attendance today, please remember a couple things. Remember that you all have a place and a role on our school campus and in our school community. Strive each day to be a better version of yourself than you were the day before. Show kindness to others and work hard toward your goals. You matter, every one of you, and you have a room full of adults who are cheering you on and willing to stand and support you. To our TAILS recipients, let us celebrate you one more time on this awesome accomplishment.